Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I have just one story to go over with you guys, and it is about the 2019 iPhones. So a triple lens camera, which we actually previously reported on 2019 iPhones, is said to enable 3D sensing and enhanced zoom. So Apple will launch at least one new iPhone model with a triple lens rear camera in 2019, according to Taiwanese website Economic Daily News, citing a research note from Deutsche Securities analyst Jielin Liu. So here is a picture, just a rendering, a mock-up by Martin Hajek via iDrop News, and you can see what it looks like with three cameras. I think it looks a little weird, but I mean, I'm sure we'll get used to it if they actually do this. And I actually think they will be putting a third camera on there, but this rumor is simply stating what it will do. So Liu believes the triple lens camera system will enable advanced 3D sensing via stereoscopic vision, with two of the sensors able to capture images of a single object from different angles. A triangulation method would then be used to obtain the distance between the iPhone and the object. So I'm not sure if they mean triangulation with lasers, like measuring the distance that it takes the light to come back. I guess they could do that with just a regular sensor. But yeah, that's kind of interesting because that would give us a very accurate representation. Like right now, like for augmented reality apps and 3D sensing like that, it's not super accurate. But if they could actually do this with a better triangulation method, that would be awesome. I think it would be much more accurate. So when you're using like those virtual rulers and stuff like that to like kind of measure out stuff, it would be much more accurate. That'd be cool. Like the TrueDepth camera system on front of the iPhone 10, the report suggests that the rear 3D sensing will be used for augmented reality purposes, basically just what I just said. The prediction lines up with a report from Bloomberg's Alex Webb, who last year said future iPhones will be equipped with rear-facing 3D sensing capabilities. At the time, Webb reported that Apple was evaluating a time-of-flight approach that calculates the time it takes for a laser, pretty much just what I said, to pounce off of surrounding objects to create a 3D image of the environment. But Liu believes that Apple will instead use a triple lens approach for the rear camera system. So that makes sense because you got three cameras. It can accurately sense a lot more than just having two or one. So that's actually a good idea right there. So they don't have to have lasers bouncing light off of stuff. So interesting that they're doing this. Apple CEO Tim Cook has repeatedly expressed his profound interest in AR. Yes, we know that. Meanwhile, the third lens would likely have a longer focal length for enhanced zoom capabilities. The long focus lens would likely enable 3 times optical zoom on an iPhone for the first time, enabling users to magnify the image in the viewfinder by up to 3 times without a blurry reduction in quality like digital zoom. iPhone 7 Plus, 8 Plus, and 10 models feature 2 times optical zoom for comparison. And then they showed the Huawei P20 Pro, and it's the first with a triple lens rear camera system, including a 40 megapixel lens and a 20 megapixel monochrome lens and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with up to 3 times optical zoom. So Quanta Securities analyst Jeff Pu, that name, also expects Apple to release at least one iPhone with a triple lens camera next year. So I personally think that they will as well, just because Apple is so forward with their camera. They always have a really top-notch, no pun intended, camera on their phones, and I think that they will definitely be putting one, almost definitely be putting one on 2019 iPhones. Not this year with the 2018s. I think we'll see something very much like the iPhone 10, but in 2019, I think we will see them add another camera, and I think it'll be pretty cool because AR will take off a little bit more because there'll be more uses for it, and it'll be more accurate. And also the photos themselves should be better because one of them should definitely allow 3 times optical zoom or something like that. Maybe even a wide angle lens. That would be super cool. We talked about that in another rumor. So I'll keep you guys up to date on this as these rumors keep developing. But for now, that's all we got. So if you like the video, hit it with a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you guys get notified every time I drop a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.